Most people get app analytics wrong by relying solely on numbers like downloads and session time, but UXCam offers deep insights into user behavior that many overlook. Today, I'll share my honest experience with UXCam so you know if it's right for your app. UXCam is a mobile analytics platform designed to help app developers understand user interactions. It records sessions, tracks gestures, and highlights friction points. The surprising truth? Seeing exactly how users navigate your app can reveal problems that raw data alone never shows. Setup is straightforward for developers. You integrate the SDK into your app, and UXCam starts collecting session data. You can view heat maps, watch session replays, and analyze funnels. Most people get this wrong by ignoring session replay. They focus on metrics alone, missing key behavioral insights. Analytics dashboards are intuitive. You can segment users, track conversion events, and even monitor performance across different devices. I tested UXCam on both iOS and Android, and the insights helped me optimize onboarding flows and reduce drop-offs. Pricing is based on app size and features. They offer a free tier for smaller apps, which is excellent for testing, and scalable plans for enterprises. Most small businesses find the free or mid-tier plan sufficient to improve UX significantly. In conclusion, UXCam is a powerful tool for understanding how users interact with your app. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on numbers, but seeing actual behavior can dramatically improve retention and engagement. Subscribe for more honest app and tech reviews so you can choose the right tools to grow your product effectively.